trying to search for a logo maker and spending lots of time, money on hiring logo designer, then this video is for you. In this video, I am showing you how to design a logo using AI. Basically, I am using Fiverr AI Logo Maker. So you can call it as a demo of a Fiverr AI Logo Maker. This is very easy. I have found that you can create a logo within a 15 minutes, and even my grandpa can create a logo which is matching to my brand color, font, style, and slogan. So quickly, let's get started. If you want to follow along with me, click on the link mentioned in the description. As soon as you click on the link mentioned in the description, you will land on the Fiverr Logo Maker screen. So this is how you will see Fiverr Logo Maker screen. You just need to enter your brand name. So in my case, I am adding my brand name, which is into the tech domain. So click on make your logo. As soon as you click, you will see that you have an ability to add your slogan. So I'm from the tech niche, so I'm adding as a tech reviews as my brand, focusing on that. So click on next. Here you have ability to choose your industry, as well as if any element you want to add in your logo, then you can add that. So I'm selecting industry for my niche, which is technology. I don't want to add any element. I want a clean and logo, so I'm keeping it as a blank. You get the ability to style your logo like a 3D geometric vintage cartoon, minimalistic and hard drawn. So I'm trying to create a 3D logo so that it looks very stunning, and I want to make a logo that I am a simple one. So 3D, then click on next. Here I want to align my logo with my personality. So here you get the ability, if you want to change your logo, how it looks like a classical, traditional, fun, simple, accessible. Based on that, you can drag this over to the look which you want. So I want accessibility looks like a premium, should be a modern, traditional. I don't want it, keep it as a basic. So I want to make it as a Q. Then here, make your logo. Now AI is taking time to process all the information which you pass, and here you can see that logo is created. By the way, if you want to access this created logo, you need to enter and sign up to your logo maker. So I have login already created, so I am just creating. Here you can see logo has been created within a 10 to 15 minutes. Next, you have the ability to edit the logo you want as per your brand, like title, then size, then theme. Even you can change the name of logo in this screen. So click on the particular logo which you like and try to edit that logo. So this is how my logo will look across my visiting card and laptop. Now click here to customize this design. On the left hand side, you can see that there are so many options available to change your logo, like color, name, slogan, shape, background, layout. And you can change your name, font, then slogan. You can have ability to show your slogan at this stage as well. Even if you get to add a slogan and now changing your mind to add one, you still get ability to add your slogan here. Now take review, and I want to change the color of it to yellow. It looks like very decent, and then this is how it will like. I'm changing the font logo. So this is how my logo will look like. Now I want to change my logo into the circle shape. So just toggle on show shape button. Have ability to showcase your logo in circle as well as go back to the square one, but will be keeping to the square rather than playing and putting this on so that I can save your time. You can change the background color the way you want. Try to change it how it looks like layout. This is the one killer feature that I like and found very easy to use. You can change this particular design element. If you want to keep it on the top, you can just toggle this button on, and you have multiple layouts available that will change your logos like this, and this. If you want to align logo prior name, then just toggle on this button. Here you have ability to showcase your logo with multiple layouts like this, and this. So again, I am changing to the previous one, and here you can see that how you can see your logo that will appear in a rank. So click on preview your logo. This is how it will look like across mug, across mobile, visiting, across laptops. So I'm keeping this as my final design, and then you have an ability here to make a copy of this or auto line, do the undo, reset. I will suggest try to play around this tool, and whatever fits to you, then use that design. Once you are done, then click on buy and download button. As soon as you click on buy and download button, there will be 3 different pricing plan of your logo will appear to your screen. So basics plan start with $30 when you will get instantaneously full commercial lights, high quality PNG file option. In the professional plan, you get multiple sources of the file like SVG file, website file, so social media file, brand style, guidelines, zoom background, and so many. So I will suggest go with either essential, professional if you are a beginner, and if you want unlimited logo, if you are multiple brands, and if you want to pay, and again then go ahead with unlimited rather than paying a one-time fee. And if you want to use this, there is a link as I have mentioned previously in the description. Click on that and you will directly land on this logo maker. Share your feedback and subscribe to this video so that I can create more videos like this and you will get more value. See you in next video.